Hi there, thank you for stopping by at my channel. Today's video is about the snake plant which was bought in the month of January, the last week of January, and at that time it was very cold outside. I cannot put it outside because it can die, it cannot survive in winter. So I put this plant in water by cleaning the soil and cleaning the roots. I put it in the water jar. So for the 2.5 months it was in the water jar, and today I want to put it outside in the soil. So I am going to repot it today. You can see that it is not a big plant, but it may grow during the season of this summer season, and I hope that I can take some cutting from it and I will grow the cutting also. So I have taken a 6-inch round pot in which I have put some potting mix, which is a mixture of perlite, cocoa peat, and some potting mix. So this is the plant. You can see the roots. Some roots has developed indoor, which are the white, that are called the water roots. They are very fragile. So the mostly the red color roots are the old roots, and it will grow in the soil. Then its root will become the red also again. So this is a very good plant. You can keep it indoor. This is very good for cleaning the air. It purifies the air indoor. So you can put it in your bedroom. It will work and clean the air, and it will give you the oxygen at the night time. So this plant is about 4 to 5 months old, when I bought it, and I hope in this summer it will grow like 6 to 7 months. I have the summer, so it will grow little bit more. Then I will propagate it by dividing the roots and taking the leaf cuttings. Whenever you take the leaf cutting, just keep in mind that the leaf cutting should have some stem, white color stem also, so that it will grow the new shoots from the stem. If you will not take the stem, the leaf can grow the roots, but it will not grow the shoots. That will be very difficult for it. It may grow from the new roots, but it is better to take the cutting which has some white stem with it. So guys, this is the final position of this plant when I have repotted it. So I will put some water, so that because it was in water for 2.5 months, so it will need more and more water. Once it is established, then it will be okay for it. So keep it in shady area for at least 2 weeks, and then gradually you can put in the sunny area. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like this and you will also grow your snake plant. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.